In my last video, I've told you how to manually create your data extension or load your data extension into Salesforce. So as I mentioned earlier, we only need data extensions to be created only once and not every time we execute our workflow. So once you know you have created your data extension or your data extension is present in Salesforce, make sure you disable this tool container just to make sure that it does not run whenever we execute our workflow. So now the second step is to load target list. Now the thing is, if we have our workflow under daily folder, if you want to see what that means is, then under Dropbox go to Alteryx folder, under there go to production, under there go to digital engagement, SFMC solution, workflows, sub workflows, daily. So this is the folder by which I mean it's under daily folder. So if your workflow is under that folder, then every day morning this daily folder is executed completely and your files will be loaded into Salesforce automatically, or the path to which your output file is mapped. But in case you want to load your target list or data load manually into Salesforce, so like I said in earlier video, execute your workflow, go to the place or the folder where you have mapped the file. So for example, I can show you. Let's see this one, if we have something over here. So for example, these are the files that are currently into target list. So suppose this is the file that you want to load into your Salesforce manually, then what you have to do is, just like the earlier video, you need to copy this particularly file and make sure in which folder you have to load it. When it is AAS, then we'll make sure that it is under Statesman folder. Copy this file, go to this folder. Since it was AAS, then we have to go to Statesman folder. Under there you can see load data. Paste your file over here, wait for some time. Once it is loaded into your Salesforce, it will be deleted and you will again see this folder to be empty, just like earlier video of data extension creation. Now to make sure this file was successfully loaded, the way is, you go back to the folder, main folder, go to the response, go to SFMC status and check your last file or the file that is relevant to your data, and see if you can see the OK status. So, or in other way, what I would suggest is, go to the earlier video and just like we load our files into data extension, you have to follow a similar step to load into load data folder. So that is how you can manually also load your target list. Thank you.